Welcome for another short tutorial for UlnoIoT. And today we will attach the water sensor to one of our devices, or it's a water rain sensor. And I have a glass of water and we will then experiment with this. So there's three connectors here. One is minus, one is plus, one is signal. And you want to put the plus into the 3.3 volt of the ESP board, the minus into ground, and signal into the analog port. So that's our first analog device we will discuss here in UlnoIoT. So we put the plus in 3 volts, the ground in ground, and the signal into the A0 port. So some of the devices actually then light up. So now let's create an analog device here in UlnoIoT. Again, if you forget, just check the help and you will see in the help, oh, there is actually an analog device. So you can look this up. And again, if you want, you can just take this little example. And we'll remove the threshold at the moment because those thresholds will actually make the analog sensor into a digital sensor. But we keep the precision because then we get a little bit less values. So that's actually the analog port of the ESP8266 gives us values between 0 and 1024 for 0 to 1 volt. But it can take up to 3.3 volts without destroying it. But never put something over 3.3 volts into that port. So let's start this one and then check it out. So I took the one with the blue LED, which was pre-configured, so we have two devices and one device, and now I can actually just touch this here, and you see I change the conductivity this way. And so I get values up to, it's more like between the 50s and the 150s. So if I put this into water, you see they actually go even higher, depending how deep I put this into the water. So, and now we try this. Let's see now the water kind of triggers around 300. So we'll interrupt this and recreate this device, but this time with a threshold. And run that. See, now when I touch it, nothing happens. But if we will dip this in water, it goes to 1. If I take it out of the water, then it goes back to 0. If I put it back into the water, it goes to 1. So that's all. This is how easy you can create an analog sensor, and this sensor is pretty easy to get, between 20 cents and $2. So, and it's very nice to measure how much rain is coming down or if somewhere comes water. Thanks for watching, and I hope I get some comments, and see you soon next.